Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Milo, can I ask you a question?
You are going to ask it anyway.
That is true. Why do you always say you are not my family?
Because I am a cat.
Johnny is a dog and he says he is my family.
Johnny says everything. Words are cheap for Johnny.
And for you? Are words expensive?
That is a good question.
Robert says I have many questions.
Robert is right. You are 9 years old and you have 100 questions.
I have 100 questions and I have one answer.
What is your answer?
You are here. Every day. That is my answer.
I live here. It is not a choice, it is an address.
Milo. The door is open every morning.
I know.
And you are still here.
The food is here.
There is food everywhere, Milo. You are a cat. Do you want me to stop asking?
No.
Milo.
I said no. I did not say anything else.
You said no to stop asking. That means you want me to ask.
Your English is getting dangerous too.
Robert is a good teacher.
Robert is a bear who talks too much.
Robert says 3 words a day.
3 is too many.
Milo. Last question.
You said that 4 questions ago.
Are you happy here?
I am not unhappy.
That is a double negative. Robert says it means yes.
Robert talks too much.
Milo. I am going to say something and you do not have to answer.
Good.
You are my family. You do not have to say it back.
I am not saying it back.
I know.
I am not.
Milo, I know.
Good night, Chloe.
It is 10 in the morning.
I am going to sleep. It is what I have to do.
Good night, Milo.